In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from a PDF using Power Automate. This process will allow you to efficiently automate the extraction of information from PDF documents and utilize it in various applications. Let's dive in. First, we'll set up a trigger to launch our flow. To do this, begin by using the When a File is Created trigger from the OneDrive Personal Connector. This trigger will monitor a specific folder in your OneDrive, and whenever a new PDF file is uploaded, it will initiate the flow process. Make sure to select the appropriate folder where you anticipate uploading your PDF files. This step is crucial as it effectively acts as the starting point for the entire operation. Once the trigger is in place, the next step is to fetch the content of the PDF file. You'll need to add the Get File Content action also from the OneDrive Personal Connector. In this action, select the file identifier that comes from the trigger we've set up earlier. This will ensure that we retrieve the actual content of the newly uploaded PDF file for further processing. With the file content retrieved, we now move on to the extraction phase. Add the PDF Extract Form Data action from the Encodian connector. For this action to work, you'll need to configure it by providing the file content that we obtained in the previous step. This action is particularly powerful as it extracts data from fillable fields in the PDF and returns it in a JSON format. It's essential to note that this will only work effectively with PDFs that have defined form fields. Moving forward, we need to deal with the JSON data that has been returned. Add the Parse JSON action to your flow. Within this action, select the Form Data output from the PDF Extract Form Data step as the content. To accurately parse the JSON data, you'll use the Use Sample Payload to generate schema function. Paste in a sample JSON payload to help generate a schema for the data structure. This schema acts as a blueprint to correctly interpret the JSON data, ensuring that each piece of information is correctly identified and utilized. Now that we have our data parsed, we can put it to work in a variety of ways. With the extracted and parsed data in hand, consider the possibilities. You might create items directly in your SharePoint lists, entering data seamlessly where it's needed. Alternatively, you can add rows to Excel tables, ensuring that your spreadsheets are always up to date. Or perhaps you'd like to send out email notifications to keep your team informed. The versatility of Power Automate in handling parsed data means that you have a wide range of options to tailor the flow to meet your specific needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to extracting data from PDFs using Power Automate. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy automating!